Today, I'm going to share my review on the SafePal Wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet company that offers both hardware cold storage and software hot storage solutions. SafePal is especially known for combining strong security feature with affordability, making it appealing to both beginners and seasoned crypto users. Let's start with the hardware wallets. SafePal currently offers the S1, the upgraded S1 Pro, and the X1. The S1 and S1 Pro are fully air-gapped, meaning they never connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB for signing transactions. Instead, they use a camera to scan QR codes via the SafePal mobile app. Security is enhanced with an EAL5 Plus secure element and even a self-destruct mechanism if tampered with. The S1 Pro also has a sturdier aluminum body, brighter screen, and larger battery compared to the original. The X1, on the other hand, introduces Bluetooth connectivity for easier use while still using a secure element chip. It's a bit more affordable and features a larger monochrome screen with a practical button layout. Now, for those who prefer convenience, the SafePal software wallet is free and available on mobile or as a browser extension. It supports thousands of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and hundreds of blockchains, with built-in DeFi features like staking, swaps, and dApp access. However, being a hot wallet, it carries more security risk since it's connected to the internet. Strengths include strong air-gapped hardware security, broad crypto support, beginner-friendly design, and budget-friendly pricing compared to other wallets. Weaknesses include a more complex transaction process with QR codes, partial open source concerns, and reports of scams tied to fake influencers, so users must practice caution. Verdict: SafePal is an excellent choice if you're looking for an affordable yet secure hardware wallet, especially the air-gapped S1 models. Just remember to balance security with convenience depending on whether you choose hardware or software storage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto reviews.